What's your mood like this morning?
My mood is calm and relaxed this morning.
Are you feeling happy right now?
Yes, I'm feeling happy right now.
Did anything make you smile today?
A funny video made me smile today.
You feeling stressed today?
Yes, I'm feeling a little stressed today.
What's bothering you these days?
Work has been bothering me lately.
Are you feeling relaxed at the moment?
Yes, I'm feeling relaxed at the moment.
How was your mood when you woke up?
My mood was a little low when I woke up.
Are you feeling tired today?
Yes, I'm feeling tired today.
What helps you calm down when you feel upset?
Taking deep breaths helps me calm down.
Are you feeling excited about anything?
Yes, I'm excited about something today.
What made you feel good today?
Spending time outside made me feel good.
Are you feeling worried about something?
Yes, I'm feeling a little worried about something.
What usually improves your mood?
Listening to music usually improves my mood.
Are you feeling confident today?
Yes, I'm feeling confident today.
How do you handle a bad mood?
I take a short break to handle a bad mood.
Are you feeling peaceful today?
Yes, I'm feeling peaceful today.
What puts you in a good mood?
Talking to a friend puts me in a good mood.
Are you feeling bored right now?
Yes, I'm feeling a little bored right now.
What changes your mood quickly?
Good news changes my mood quickly.
Are you feeling motivated today?
Yes, I'm feeling motivated today.
Did anything annoy you today?
Yes, something did annoy me today.
Are you feeling thankful today?
Yes, I'm feeling thankful today.
What made you feel proud recently?
I felt proud when I finished a big task.
Are you feeling hopeful right now?
Yes, I'm feeling hopeful right now.
What makes you feel relaxed after a long day?
A warm shower makes me feel relaxed after a long day.
Are you feeling comfortable today?
Yes, I'm feeling comfortable today.
What makes you feel stressed out?
Too many tasks at once make me stressed out.
What helps you cheer up?
Talking to someone I trust helps me cheer up.
Are you feeling sad about anything?
Yes, I'm feeling a little sad about something.
What makes you feel loved?
Spending time with loved ones makes me feel loved.
Are you feeling positive today?
Yes, I'm feeling positive today.
What helps you stay calm in tough times?
Slow breathing helps me stay calm in tough times.
Are you feeling angry about something?
Yes, I'm feeling a bit angry about something.
What usually puts you in a bad mood?
Bad news usually puts me in a bad mood.